So again, we were talking about this problem and we realized that there's a relationship of 4.5 going on between these problems. Or maybe you realize this was 10 and on the right was 45. And so we know 4.5 is involved here because we have to divide 45 by 10. So it's definitely not J and it's definitely not F. The question is 4.5 being multiplied by C or is 4.5 being multiplied by N? We see N is the first number, so the correct answer here is H. Number 9 looks like a difficult problem, but when I really read this problem, I have to understand that this was a division problem. Because I'm looking for how many 1/4 can be taken out of 2.5. Convert this to an improper, which is 5 over 2, divided by 1/4. Remember the song, dividing fractions, easy as pie. Flip the second and multiply. So the first one stays the same. The second one becomes 4 over 1, which is 20 over 2. And I think we see the answer of C. Number 11. Quite a few of you missed this because you didn't listen to Mr. Brown and identify X and Y. And remember, it's always Y divided by X. And if we did this correctly, we would have gotten the correct answer of B. Number 15, it's going to be the last problem that I go over with you. Kayla walked 2/3 mile to warm up. She then jogged 4.5 miles. She then walked 5-6 miles to cool down. How much farther did Kayla jog than walk? So notice that we walked here, we jogged here, and I'm going to underline that twice so we know the jogging, and she walked here. So the first thing I want to do is understand what's going on. I'm subtracting jogging from walking. That word farther tells me a subtraction. So 4.5 is being subtracted from 2/3 plus the 5-6. Because she walked here and she walked here, so I have to make sure I add those together. So I want to find some common denominators now. So I see 2, 3, and 6. They all have a common denominator of 6. And of course the 5-6 is going to stay the same. So 2 times 3 is 6. 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So 2 times 2 is 4. And now I'm going to add the parentheses first. So 4 plus 5 is 9 over 6. And I can't take 9 from 3, so I borrow from the 4, making this now a 3. Add the numerator and denominator. 3 plus 6 is 9 over 6. Minus 9 over 6. And so obviously this cancels, and I'm simply left with 3. So I'm now going to go over all the answers. Make sure you're paying attention. Number 1 is A. Number 2 is H. Number 3 is B. Number 4 is H. Number 5 is A. Number 6 is 35. Number 7 is C. Number 8 is H. Number 9 is C. Number 10 was 13.22. Number 11 was B as in boy. Number 12 is G. Number 13 is C. Number 14 is J. Number 15 is A. Number 16 is J. Number 17 is 19.2. And number 18 was F. I hope you did well on this test. Remember, to get a satisfactory score, we wanted to be able to answer at least 10 of the answers correctly.